Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to pay with Venmo on Uber. Now, if you want to use Venmo, it is available. So ensure the Venmo app is installed on your device to complete the authorization, unless it's not going to pop up on your Uber when you set it up. So how do you set it up, right? All you need to do is, of course, go to your Uber account, make sure you have your Venmo installed on your device, on your phone, and make sure that you've logged into your Venmo account, right? After that, go back to your Uber, tap on account on the bottom right corner of your screen like so. It's going to bring you to your profile here. You want to tap on wallet over here. And here you're going to have an option to add a payment method under payment methods, right? All you need to do is tap on this. And if you have Venmo on your phone, it's going to appear here, right? So after that, just tap on Venmo and just follow the instructions. And again, make sure that you have Venmo on your mobile device. If not, this is, as you can see, I don't have Venmo, so it's not showing up. But if you have Venmo installed on your device, it's gonna pop up here, and just choose it and follow the instructions just like any other payment method that you have added to your Uber account. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I will see you on the next video.